Okay. So now today we are going to use the DAX function. Okay. With the different cases. Okay. And we are going to use the DAX function in the charts. Okay. So now there is a scenario, my friend. I want to create a table. Okay, my friend. In this table, you will show the year, month, and you can show me the weekday sales. Okay. Versus weekend sale and total sale. Okay, guys, did you understand? So we need to create a table. That table will display year, month, weekday sale and weekend sale, okay, and total sale. Please, everyone, show me that. And here, I can also need a week number. Weekday sale, you know that, na? Weekday sale means a sale that perform on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and weekend sale means that perform on the Saturday, Sunday. And week number means okay, it's like a number in the month one, two, three, four, like this week number. Okay, clear everyone? So I think weekday, weekend sale we are done. Okay. For the week number, guys, it's a very simple tax function. If you search over the Google, okay, let me show you. Just 1 minute. The website, the URL that I shared with you, okay? If you open this URL, guys, and if you search here, week num, okay? So here, the week num, you need to pass the date, okay? What is the date you need to pass, okay? And it return the week number, guys, okay? One, two, three, like this, okay? There's the two option available. The week number contains January, the first week of the year. So that's number one. Or if you say that, okay, the week containing the first Thursday of the year in the first week, the number as a week number. Okay. So both option available. You can try this one. But as per my like, okay, as per my choice, okay, always go with this. Look at this here. Okay. The simple, you can pass the column that contain the days, okay, and the week number function. This one, guys. Okay. Please everyone try. So today we are going to learn the different test cases where we can use a different week numbers. Okay. Sorry, not week number, the DAX function. Let me know once everyone done. And now I'm going to prepare the functions guys here. Okay. So let's create a table. So the first column contain year, month, and week number. Okay. So let's create a table that contain order date, year. Okay. So let's add year. Then we have a month. Okay. Done, my friend. Now we need a week number. So let's create a measure. A column we can also create, guys. No worry about that. Okay. So let's create, okay, week number, okay, equal to week num function. Okay. And then we need to pass the date here, order date. So let's get, sorry, I create the column. Let's create a column. Okay, my friend. Week number, week num function, and then my order date. Uh, where is my order date? Or you have one more option available here if you want to do that. Okay.
When week num is, I don't know if that's the case, but when week num is in the square bracket,
Yes.
then it shows the order date column.
No, 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 actually, I'm creating the wrong column, no? Sorry, wrong data set. That's why I'm just thinking.
Okay.
Actually, I'm creating in the wrong table, no? Sorry, that's why. Okay. So now I have a week number. Okay. Okay. And I'm saying please don't aggregate. So now I got that. Okay. So my friend. Okay. And then I think rest everyone know that what is the next step. Okay. Now, let me know once it's done, guys, so that we can move the next test case.
Excuse me,
Those
sir.
who complete this task, okay, then we can move the next one. Okay. So now I have a business owner and I want to know that, okay, how the sales working in the weekend versus weekday, guys. Okay. For example, let me tell you the scenario. Okay. For example, I am a McD owner, okay, or Burger King or any other owner. Okay. So where we know that, okay, guys, weekend trust is very high as compared to weekday trust. True, everyone? The same manner in the order table, we want to know that, okay, the sales different between, okay, weekend versus weekday. Okay. So please add one more column here that showing different between weekend versus weekday sale. Okay. Please, my friend. First of all, okay, you guys create one DAX function that show the week number. Okay. I hope everyone done this one. Then create a weekend cell. Okay. Then create weekday cell. Okay. Then simple. The difference formula is very simple, guys. You can just simple write down that weekday sale minus weekend sale. You already create the column now for this. So use that column. Okay. No
No
need
need
to write
to
the
make, no need to create new column for this.
no. You make a column called different. Okay.
Yeah,
Diff.
yeah,
Okay. It's a DAX function. And in
yeah,
the diff DAX function, you can use the already existing columns that you already did. Okay.
yeah, yeah. We did, yeah.
Yeah. Try this one.
Okay, so
Yeah, I was trying, but with the sum, that's why it was not working.
No. Submit not.
No,
Because the value is
straightforward. Yeah.
already aggregated, na? You just
Right,
simple
right.
write down that. Okay.
Yeah. Raman sir, would you mind go back to week num? Like, how did you do? Because it looks a little bit weird to me.
Yes, Weeknum, you can go with this
Can you
article.
show? Yeah, can no. I mean, here on the Power BI, like,
Here. Let me show you. Here it's showing the very good example. Okay. So for example, okay, one. So he start calculating from the 1 to 7. Okay. Next Sunday. And then because the Monday is come, okay, that's why it shows the 21. Okay. So let's go back to our formula. This is a week number. Simple. Okay.
but okay, week num. That's for the whole year then. Like, I
Yes,
thought we
it's
were
a whole
going
year.
for monthly,
Yes,
week
it's a
number.
whole year. That's why we need to write
Okay.
like this. Because we have a lots of date, na? That's why. Okay. And for the weekend and weekday sale, okay, we can use the weekday. Okay. That return the day of the week. That we already did yesterday. True?
Yeah. No, that's true. Yeah.
Okay. Then they can do the next one. Okay. Now the next one. Okay. We want to know that, okay, sales achieve, okay, during the last week of the day, sorry, week of the month, or sorry, last 3 day of the month versus, okay, rest other days. Okay, let me explain what it is. Okay, so basically in this one, okay, we will show like this. Okay, first of all, we can show the product name. Okay, my friend, in the table, we can show the year. We can show the month name this time. You need to search which DAX function we can use to display the month name, guys. Okay. Then we can show, okay, sales during last 3 days. Okay. Sales during rest days. And then different. Clear, my friend? So here you need to create a 3 DAX function. One is for the month name. Second one is for sales during the last 3 days. Third one you can create for the sales during the, okay. So DAX functions, let me write down that. Okay, these are the list of the DAX function, guys, you need to create. One is month name. Second one is sales during the last 3 days. And the third one is this one. And the last one is diff. Okay, please everyone create.
So isn't the month name auto-populated?
If
Like
we
we
talk
have,
about, yes, you can use that one also.
yeah.
But because we are practicing the DAX function, so try to search Google, okay, which DAX function return that one.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I know that month name automatically populated, but try to use a DAX function. Huh?
I see. Okay.
Okay.
So I checked my DAX for the total sales during rest of the days. Can you please check? Because it's not showing error, but not showing any data.
Okay. Let me check. Where is
Okay.
here? Okay.
I sent you in the private message.
Okay.
Here on the Zoom yourself.
No. But you are showing here. Last 3 days. You are writing the start of last 3 days. Okay.
No,
Where
no,
is the
that
last
is
three?
working. That is working fine. Last 3 days is fine. This is
Mm-hmm.
for the sales during the rest of the days.
Okay. I'm doing that. Okay.
Okay.
So in an order table, it's a
Mm,
major. Okay. Perfect.
right.
Sales during last 3 days.
Mhm.
Okay. Clear? First of all, it's a sum X. Okay. Because it's a total sale. Okay.
Right.
Then filter.
Mhm.
Because we want to show only the filter data.
Right.
Order. Okay. Then we need to calculate the order date and only date part. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Day. Day, not date. Okay. Because it will return the days, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So in now we can write the last 3 days like 28, 29, 30, and 31. Okay.
I use greater than equal to 27. Does that also work?
Yeah, it's also work.
Okay.
So let's suppose I can go with your manner. Okay. Greater than 27. Okay.
Yeah.
And then sell.
Right.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's add this column. Okay. Now you can see this is work.
Yeah, that is working fine. But for the rest of the days,
Rest of the day. Okay.
yeah.
Let me
I
create
just
one more
I just
time.
tweak it. Yeah, I just tweak it. I just did less than and equal to 27, but it's not showing me data.
Hmm. I can change it. Okay. Yes, I can see the value. Try this one again. Maybe you missed something, some bracket or something.
No, I mean the DAX is working fine. It's not throwing any error. But
Mm-hmm.
only thing is I don't see the value. Um, yeah, it's not showing. I'm doing the same thing, but it's not showing the value.
Check one more time. Okay. So I'm writing this tag, both tag function here, my friend. Please everyone try. Let me know, my friend, once it's done.
So for the for the difference, so we can directly use
Yes, we
those two
can use the
measures.
directly use the measures and
Right.
simple subtract it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah,
Let's wait
sorry,
for other.
sorry. Can you show us the how to get month name, because it's not working for me. I just went with the default one, but
Let me try. Just
with
1 minute.
DAX, yeah.
You try the direct one, huh?
I also tried with the DAX, but I couldn't do it.
Okay. Sorry. Let me do the DAX function, huh? So you can
Yeah,
just simple search Power BI DAX function, return month name. Okay.
yeah,
You can use this one.
yeah. I use the same one.
Let me try. Okay.
Sure.
So I create a column. Okay. And here my column is order date. Okay. Do you know why I'm choosing the order date? Because order date have my value. Okay.
All right. Yeah.
Now let's submit it. Okay. And let's drag it. Let's do it. Yes, I can get. Look at this. Did you see?
I did the same thing. Like,
If you write 3 here, then you can get 3 digit,
right.
3 character. 4 means full name, okay? And 3 means only 3 character. And these two are very popular, no? That's why.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else who is stuck in any tax function guide? So let me type with this tax function also. Okay. Please everyone check with your tax function with this. So everyone done? Can we move the name?
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay. Now let's go with some. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
All right, thank you.